BridgePay is a mobile payment app that allows you to pay your Cricket Wireless bill, including one-time extensions, using your linked bank account or debit card. It acts as an intermediary for quick payments, usually within 24 hours. This is useful if you need to add funds for a short period, such as for additional data or to extend your service a few days. It uses secure encryption and may require two-factor authentication for safety. BridgePay charges a small fee, typically $1 to $2 per transaction. To use it, you'll need your Cricket Wireless account number. First, download and set up BridgePay from your App Store, linking your bank account or debit card. Next, add Cricket Wireless as a payee, entering your 10-digit Cricket account number. Then, determine the exact amount needed for your extension via the Cricket Wireless app or website. Input this amount in BridgePay as a bill payment, adding a memo like Cricket Extension. Review all details, including the fee, and submit. Finally, confirm the extension's activation in your Cricket Wireless account, usually within 24 hours. If issues arise, contact Cricket Wireless support with your BridgePay confirmation.